Welcome to AI Unveiled, where we separate silicon from speculation in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm Asif Waliuddin, and today we're dissecting the AI landscape of October 2024. Ready to boot up this episode? Let's dive in. First up, let's tackle the AI buzz that's more noise than signal. These are the narratives flooding your feeds, but spoiler alert, reality might be a few steps behind the headlines. 1. Quantum AI, the next big leap, or quantum, leaping to conclusions. Quantum computing is touted as AI's rocket fuel, but here's the quantum reality check. We're still in the practice launch phase. Most quantum computers are about as stable as a house of cards in a wind tunnel. Large-scale, practical quantum AI applications, still very much a work in progress. 2. AI, Green Revolution's secret weapon, or its power-hungry nemesis. Tech giants paint AI as the eco-warrior of the digital age. Plot twist, training these AI models consumes electricity like there's no tomorrow. Can AI optimize energy use? Absolutely. Is it the silver bullet for sustainability? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. 3. Democratizing AI. A tool for all or a toy for the tech-savvy. There's a growing chorus singing about AI tools being as accessible as your smartphone. Reality check. While you can chat with ChatGPT, truly harnessing AI's power still requires more technical know-how than most possess. Not to mention the hardware costs and data privacy concerns. AI for all remains more aspiration than reality. 4th, Generative AI. The death of human creativity, or just a really good assistant. Some say AI is about to drop the next chart-topping album or direct the summer blockbuster. Let's be real, AI is more cover band than creative genius. It can remix and mash up existing ideas brilliantly, but when it comes to true innovation, humans are still the headliners. 5. AI in healthcare. Miracle cure or just what the doctor ordered. Eventually, AI is hyped as the panacea for everything from cancer to the common cold. Reality dose. Many AI healthcare tools are still in the clinical trial phase of their own existence. Between regulatory hurdles, integration nightmares, and sky-high implementation costs, AI in healthcare is more promising intern than miracle worker, for now. Now let's switch gears and spotlight where AI is genuinely flexing its silicon muscles. These are the success stories that prove AI isn't just all talk. 1. AI, the supply chain's new best friend. While we were all panic buying toilet paper, AI was busy revolutionizing supply chains. Companies leveraging AI for inventory management and logistics optimization are seeing revenue boosts of over 5%. That's not just moving boxes, that's moving markets. 2. Cybersecurity's AI bodyguard. In the digital Wild West, AI has become the sheriff we didn't know we needed. These AI systems are predicting and preventing digital assaults before the bad guys even hit enter. It's not just an upgrade, it's like going from a rusty padlock to a force field. 3. Personalized marketing. When AI knows you better than you know yourself. Remember when targeted ads were a hit or miss affair? AI has turned that into a game of darts, where the bullseye keeps getting bigger. Tools like Persado are crafting marketing messages that don't just speak to you, they practically read your mind. 4. Financial fraud detection AI, the digital Sherlock Holmes. In the world of finance, AI has become the detective that never sleeps. It's sifting through mountains of data, spotting fraudulent needles in legitimate haystacks, faster than you can say suspicious transaction. 5. AI in manufacturing. Greening the assembly line. Factory floors are getting a green makeover, and AI is the interior designer. By optimizing production processes and predicting maintenance needs, AI is helping manufacturers cut energy costs and carbon emissions. It's like having an efficiency expert who works 24/7 and never asks for a coffee break. So, what's the binary bottom line? While some AI stories are more science fiction than science fact, AI is already rewriting the rules in industries, from cybersecurity to manufacturing. The real challenge now isn't just pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, but doing it responsibly. As we look to the future, here are 3 key areas to watch. 1. Ethical AI development. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ensuring it's developed with strong ethical guidelines is crucial. We need AI that's not just smart, but fair and transparent too. 2. AI regulation. The legal landscape for AI is still a bit like the Wild West. Expect to see more comprehensive regulations emerging to govern AI use, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare and finance. 3. AI and climate tech. While AI itself can be energy hungry, its potential to optimize energy use and drive innovation in clean tech could be a game changer for our planet. This is definitely a space to watch. And there you have it, your AI reality check for 2024. We've debunked the hype, celebrated the wins, and peeked into the crystal ball of AI's future. Remember, in the world of AI, today's fiction often becomes tomorrow's fact, so stay curious and stay informed. If you found value in this episode, share it with a colleague. You might just save them from falling for the next AI hyperbole. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI trends, and join the conversation on social media using hashtag AI Unveiled, hashtag GenAI, and hashtag FutureNow. This is Asif Waliuddin signing off. Until next time, keep your BS detectors on high alert and your minds open to the real possibilities of AI. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and stay human.